Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by installing and launching Translate on screen, then grant the essential permissions so the app can capture text and audio. Once done, pick your source and target languages. This ensures accurate recognition and translation. Make sure overlays are enabled for live translation on top of other apps, and test the camera briefly to confirm framing. You're not setting everything later. You're preparing the app to run immediately so the next steps produce reliable, real-time results. Now you capture content. Point the camera at printed text or tap the microphone for spoken phrases. Once the app recognizes input, adjust the recognition area or zoom to include only relevant text, and toggle noise suppression if audio is messy. After the initial translation appears, tap any phrase to reveal alternative interpretations and choose the best fit for context. This improves accuracy for names, slang, or technical terms. Keep iterating until the rendered translation matches. Finish by freezing the translation on screen or copying and exporting the text for notes or messages. Use the app's share buttons for quick transfer. Make sure overlays remain active if you want continuous translation while using other apps. If output looks wrong, try common fixes. Clean the camera lens, reframe the text with better lighting, reduce background noise, or switch dialect and language variants. If problems persist, restart the app. These steps resolve most recognition and syncing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.